So this is 2019 paper one, which is non-calculator, and it's question one. So what they're saying is Helen sells candles. The candles should be 22.5 centimetres tall, but she's willing to accept them if they're 2 millimetres less than that or 2 millimetres larger than that. Okay, so your ultimate candle size would be 22.5. Obviously, that's a centimetre part and that's a millimetre part. So the smallest one should be willing to accept is if they are 0.2 less than that. Okay, so that is 22.3. That's the smallest she's willing to accept, and the largest is if you just add that 0.2 onto it this time. Okay. Now, in terms of what you're actually creating here, this is the limits. Okay, so that's 22.7. Okay, so that's the limits. So if there's any candles within these limits, she's happy with it. And we're going to work out as a percentage what one she's going to reject. Now, if you actually count 10 candles, that's done for a reason, okay? Because it's easier working out percentages if it's like a number like 10, okay? So what we can do is we can basically just cross off the ones that are not going to be accepted. Right, 22.2, no, that's lower than the limit. Okay, 22.6 is fine, 22.5 is fine, 22.9 is too large, 22.3, that's spot on, 21.6, that's too small, 22.6 is spot on, 22.4 spot on, 22.7 spot on, and 22.8 is actually too big. Okay, so you'd get one mark for working at the limits, another mark for actually just then pointing out what candles are not within the range that they're happy with, and that gives you 4 out of 10 candles. Okay, now 4 out of 10, if you convert that into a percentage, that is 40%. Okay, and that's how you're getting your marks. One mark for working out the limits, another mark for identifying which candles are out with the limits, and another mark for getting your percentage. And that's how you do question one.